best high-tech gadgets to increase classroom intelligence. In this video we have compiled a list of the top study tools that can help students improve their cognitive experience in a way that is both pleasant and engaging for them for the current academic year. Number 8. The interactive whiteboard. The interactive whiteboard consists of a big touchscreen that is about the size of a large television and may be operated by a desktop computer or a laptop. Your ability to freely interact with tables and photos via regular touches on the surface gives the impression that you are working on a giant tablet. When using this system, you will have the ability to quickly conduct a wide range of actions, including writing, modifying, highlighting, and other similar tasks. There are two distinct categories of smart boards, namely, a projection board is a flat surface onto which an image can be projected. The device itself is operated by a laptop that is wirelessly linked to the board and is near the board. This takes the form of a full-fledged computing device that operates under the Windows operating system and is known as a capacitive board. You can exercise control over it using either your finger or a stylus. The following are key advantages of using smartboards. Increased effectiveness in learning thanks to the use of interactive whiteboards, which boosts students' motivation, more effectively integrate them in the learning process, and improve students' ability to concentrate and remember information presented in class. Efficient use of time. The generated interactive lesson can be easily modified for a variety of audiences, and it also enables the instructor to rapidly navigate back to earlier pages whenever that becomes necessary. The students quickly learn computer literacy and electronic devices, which enables them to better navigate new technologies and use them in the future to work on individual projects. In addition, the students have improved their knowledge of the applications of technology. Students can autonomously handle the objects that are displayed on the smartboard, which helps to a more comprehensive realization of the student's creative potential and activity. The smartboard is an effective tool for student-teacher reflection. Number 7. Smart projectors. Imagine that you could write on a whiteboard and have your notes show instantly on the projector. Or, even better, imagine that you could write on any surface and have it projected onto the board. Because of smart projectors, this is now a practical possibility. Not only do these nifty devices project what is on your screen, but they also recognize objects and text. If you want to add a diagram to your notes, for instance, all you have to do is draw it out in real time, and the projector will recognize it. Not only are smart projectors beneficial for use in educational settings, but they are also an excellent choice for use in commercial settings and meeting rooms, because they allow you to creatively convey high-quality information to big audiences. Smart projectors make presentations more interactive and interesting for everyone in the room. Number 6. Digital textbooks. It is time to say goodbye to those cumbersome, outdated textbooks that professors have been making students carry around for years. Digital textbooks are a good complement to the classroom, and it is time to say goodbye to them. The digital revolution has arrived, and with it comes the need for digital versions of traditionally printed textbooks. The use of digital textbooks comes with several advantages, including the following. They don't take up much space. They are simple to access and require little maintenance. You can underline specific words and make notes straight in the text. They are kind to the environment. They provide a feature referred to as quick search. They come equipped with a variety of audio and video features. They provide a system for interactive self-assessment. In addition, digital textbooks are frequently more cost-effective than traditional textbooks, so why wouldn't a contemporary school wish to make the switch? Number 5. Smart table. Your classes could be made more interesting and engaging with the help of a smart table. You can do everything from exchanging data and working on projects together, to playing games and learning new concepts with a smart table. And the greatest part is that these tables are customizable. You can even learn new concepts while playing games. As a consequence of this, you will be able to build up an environment that is ideal for your pupils. The following are some of the primary benefits offered by such intelligent workstations. Students of any age can experience education in a way that is both pleasurable and entertaining. The development of abilities necessary for working in a team is encouraged. It presents the possibility of providing students with a variety of different tools to complete their assignments. It opens the door to boundless opportunities for creative education. Because the instructor does not need to print the materials, it is more efficient financially. Number 4. Smart camera. There have been intelligent cameras available for purchase for a while now, and their market share continues to expand. A device that is connected to the internet is referred to as a smart camera. Although this may sound like an overly simplistic definition, what it means is that you can control these cameras from any location in the globe. They are available to be accessed on your computer or smartphone, and you can even watch them live on such devices. The question then is, what makes them such a hit in the classroom? For one thing, they are an excellent method for monitoring the activities that are taking place within the classroom. They are also an excellent tool for assisting teachers in monitoring the progress of their students. The use of smart cameras in the classroom enables the recording of lectures, the observation of students' behaviors, and even assistance with the grading of tasks. Number 3. Hologram. Imagine you were giving a presentation and you could see your audience as holograms while you were speaking to them. The HoloLens made this once impossible vision of the future into a doable reality that we can now look forward to experiencing. The HoloLens is a piece of hardware that gives users the ability to view and engage with holograms. Because it presents a fresh approach to interacting with pupils, it is an excellent tool for teachers. You can use it, for instance, to create a virtual field trip for your class, or you can have students work on projects together, even if they are located in various areas of the world. This is possible because of the widespread availability of the internet and the proliferation of mobile devices. The HoloLens is only one of the numerous technologies that are helping to make classrooms smarter. Nevertheless, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Number 2. Biometric devices. Imagine for a moment that you could monitor student attendance and performance in your classroom using biometric technology. It is because of some high-tech equipment that is currently being introduced into classrooms all across the world that this is now feasible. Students can be identified and their attendance, grades, and other information recorded using these devices by using either facial recognition or fingerprint scanning technology. This data can then be used to assist teachers in tracking the progress of their students and improving their ability to personalize their teachings to the specific requirements of individual pupils. Number 1. Devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Imagine what it would be like to be in a classroom where everyone, including the teacher and the pupils, used electronic devices such as computers, tablets, or smartphones. Many educational institutions still consider it to be a pipe dream, whilst other educational institutions make it a regular part of their operations. The intellect of students in the classroom is considerably increased by the use of high-tech equipment. Already in existence is the schoolroom of the foreseeable future. Additionally, it is more technologically advanced than it has ever been. These devices are revolutionizing the method that contemporary educators instruct, as well as the way that students learn, making the classroom both smarter and more efficient. These high-tech devices, which may be found in the learning environment, and range from interactive whiteboards to portable document scanners, are making a significant difference. Here is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Post your feedback in our comments section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.